0. So for that, first derive language for this third problem. So languages starts with 1, ends with 0. And in between you can have any number of zeros and ones. Starts with 1, ends with 0. And so on. So again, minimum string length is 2. Number of states required are 2 plus 1, that is 3. So take 3 states, Q0, Q1 and Q2. Q2 is your final state. Now, so write this 1, 0 first. So here string starts with 1, ends with 0. So you can keep self loop here because ending should be with 0 only. But here it should not end with 1. So for that we need to keep a loop like this. On 1 it should move to Q1 but not to Q2. Then only string will end with 0. Similarly, in between 1 and 0 you can have any number of zeros and ones. So we already applied 0 on Q1. So let us apply 1 on this. So that you will get strings 1 1 0 or 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, so what are the strings that can be derived from this automata? 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, this is one possibility, or 1, you can have any number of ones, 1 1 0, any number of zeros, 0 0 1 0 directly. Okay, like this you can create any number of possible strings, but string should start with 1 and end with 0. So this satisfies the given criteria. Next, let us see fourth example. String contains either AB or BA. So either AB or BA means how to write this. So your string should contain either AB or BA. So you should take two conditions here. So let us draw a diagram like this. Q0, Q1, Q2. Q2 is final state. So if string starts with AB, then it moves in this, automata starts reading strings in this direction. And here you can have any number of A's and B's, at the end also any number of A's and B's. Okay, string contains AB. Okay, so before and after you can have any number of A's and B's. So first criteria is satisfied. Now, or BA. So you can take other direction, Q3, Q4. So we have two final states here. You can even do with single final state also. BA. Fine. So if the given string starts with AB, then automata moves in this direction. If it starts with BA, then it moves in this direction. So here before any number of A's and B's, after any number of A's and B's. So these two are solutions for 3 and 4 questions.